Okay, here we are again. I got some questions about the sun heater. Now we are still in Finland, of course. It's minus 12 degrees. We have inside 26 degrees with this heater, what is behind me. There was some question, what is heating up the heater? And it's this stuff what I'm having here. It's like a roll, you can see that, of fiberglass. And it's really thin, but thicker than mosquito net. It looks like mosquito net, but it's like made out of fiberglass, and it's a little bit, there you can see it, it's a little bit thicker, and the texture is, it's a little bit thicker, and it can definitely easier store the heat. This screen is getting hot from the sun, and the air have to go through that and moves faster and gets squeezed through this little net, and then it becomes hot. I can really warmly recommend to do that kind of system. It's functioning, and we are like pretty freezing now outside here. It's like really cold. Okay, see you.